Hey everyone, welcome to TeamCodingPlaza. In last video, we have seen that the extension to subqueries, right? In that one, I have explained that in, or, AD, and comparison operators, different things is there right now. So here in this video, we'll check that about the in operator. So how to use that? In also different videos I'm planning to do to explain thoroughly. Okay. Today we are going to look into that in with literals, right? So the first way we can use in, right, with literals or numbers, anything else with default values. Right now, see, I'm having two different tables that employee and department. Right. So employee table is there with me. Here I want employees that only from department 2030. Then I don't. I'm going to write a query. LDPT now in class method 20 that enough. I got the data 2030. So I want to write down author also. Right, 2030. If I want only 10, then 10 only I will get. Right now, this data only I will get, which is the department from 10. Right. So same thing. How I have to that means I'm having another table that department. Right now here all the departments are there. This all departments data I want means say suppose select if you them down select. If you are finding that anything in duplicates will be futuristic, if anything it will be there, you are thinking no, duplicates also in class will be handled. There is no issue, even the duplicate data came. But for safer purpose, I have written distinct. Okay. So now what I will get? So entire data I will get. Right? No. Like this, you can write it in with a single column. Right now. So this is one way to use the in operator, and some other ways also there to use in operator. That's see, I want to show the department names so that in future videos I will update you. So these were the instruction for the in operator, right? These were the syntax. Keep it down and down. Okay. Thank you for watching the video, guys. Have a nice day. We'll catch up with the next video.